Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Usher literally gave Queen Latifah her flowers at a recent show during his ongoing Las Vegas residency. The OMG single lifted Latifah with an extravagant red rose bouquet and a small box to gift during his concert on the Equalizer star's 53rd birthday, March 18. Usher entered the venue's crowd to embrace the New Jersey-born MC as she left her gifts. The two musicians hugged before Usher headed back to the stage from Park MGM Dolby Live Theater's crowd, where seats 5,200 showgoers. Latifah blew Usher a kiss from before returning to her partner Ebony Nichols' side. Latifah's Grammy-winning 1993 hit Unity blasted throughout the venue, and fans cheered after the heartfelt moment, giving the Queen her flowers. Usher captured the video on his Instagram stories, according to Revolt. Usher's residency in Las Vegas is a celebration of the 25th anniversary of his second studio album, My Way. The smash hit project landed at number 4 on the Billboard 200 and gave Usher his first chart-topping single, Nice and Slow. The project also included the hits You Make Me Wanna and the album's bravado boasting title track. Usher today is no different than the Usher who established himself in that moment. The 44-year-old performer reflected in a mini documentary about his 1997 album. I think when I choose to just lock in and do what I love, it manages to make people feel things because it's authentic, it's real, and it comes from a real place. Usher's My Way residency continues at the Park MGM Dolby Live Theater through October 2023. The singer's grand gesture toward Latifah comes after he pulled a similar stunt for his favorite auntie in February. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.